Iterative design is widely adopted in manufacturing. It involves the repeated process of design, prototyping, and evaluation to develop refined products and components. But prototyping and making relevant jigs and fixtures are often time-consuming and expensive. This limits the iteration that can be done, leads to insufficient verification, and slows down the going-to-market process. Besides, when it comes to small batch production, companies have to invest an enormous sum in making modes, not cost-effective at all. Creality Sermoon D3 is a tailor-made for manufacturers, boosting good stability and printing consistency. It is able to make quality jigs and fixtures in most cases. For small batch orders common for small and micro companies, it can produce the final products directly. In the automotive industry, it can help engineers verify and modify auto parts rapidly. The printer works well with Creality Cloud and Creality Print, which enable one-click slicing, and it supports real-time model preview on the display screen. It is meant to boost R&D efficiency, shorten production cycles, and slash costs. Sermoon D3 offers industrial-grade stability and up to 5 times printing speed, a truly powerful productivity tool. It has metal plates, aluminum alloy vertical profiles, and strong linear shafts. The XY axis gantry system and heat bed base are CNC machined. All together lays a firm foundation for higher efficiency. With 300 degrees Celsius high-temp printing, Sermoon D3 is suitable to print durable jigs and fixtures for wide applications, since it supports heat-resistant filaments like ABS and PETG. The printer is assisted with Creality Print, a self-developed slicing software of Creality, which features one-click slicing, a cloud model library, remote control and monitoring. In addition, the Creality Cloud allows users to control and monitor the printer at any time, anywhere. Sermoon D3 also comes with a spiked dual-gear direct drive extruder, copper alloy and titanium alloy heat brake, and 50-15 dual cooling fans. Say no to clogging when printing a big model. It will save time, materials, and costs in design verification and prototyping. To scale up production, the multi-printer control will be useful. And with 100mm plus or minus 0.1mm accuracy, the printed product will meet the quality requirement for sure. One more thing, Creality now rolls out a series of quality filaments with a leading filament maker. The settings corresponding to these filaments are preset in Creality Print. Just pick the right preset, and everything is good to go. This is Creality Sermoon D3, a stable and reliable productivity tool.